Hello everyone, myself Vaishnavi Bhalchandra Sonavane.
Myself Pooja Gurnath Asade.
Myself Pratiksha Yashwant Rasaya.
We are students of SPCOP Otur, final year, and we are going to discuss about a very important topic from pharmaceutical regulatory science, that is CTD and ECTD. So now we are going to start with common technical document. So history behind the common technical document is, before common technical document, each and every country had its different regulation for introducing new medicine in their market. So this would take a lot of time, between 2 to 3 years sometimes, and therefore some countries like Europe, USA, Japan came together and formed a common technical document which made it easy to introduce new medicine in the market. So what does the common technical document exactly do? So it assembles quality, safety, efficacy information in a common format. So this have made the work easier. It is a technical requirement for registration of pharmaceutical product for human use. So again, CTD is a joint effort of 3 regulatory agencies. First is European Medicine Agency, that is of Europe. Next is Food and Drug Administration, that is of USA. Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare, that is of Japan. Now, what does the common technical document include, or how it is organized? So basically it contains 5 modules. Module 1 contains general information. Module 2 contains CTD summaries. That is, CTD summaries include summaries of from module 2 to 5. Then module 3 contains quality information. Module 4 contains non-clinical study reports, and module 5 contains clinical study reports. So this is a short summary of CTD.
Now we are going to discuss about the electronic common technical document, that means ECTD. The ECTD is the electronic version of CTD for sending the data of regulatory authority, may for FDA, to the FDA when we are applying IND and NDA. So whatever the information we are feeding that in online, that is called ECTD. And the ECTD is interface between industry and agency to the transport regulatory information. It was developed by ICH. Advantages of ECTD: improve handling and archiving of submission, then better information management, then immediate access to complete and up-to-date information, then reduce workload. The module of ECTD: each document should be submitted as a separate file. Module 1 is administrative information. Module 2 is CTD summary. That means module 2, 3, 4 and 5. Module 3 is information of quality, and module 4 is non-clinical study report. Then module 5 is clinical study report.
Now we are going to discuss about difference between CTD and ECTD. CTD means common technical document and ECTD means electronic common technical document. In CTD, first one is submitted in binders in boxes on pallets by trucks, and in ECTD submitted on CD or by email or portal. Then in CTD, paper volume must be A4, and in ECTD, e-documents can be A4 or US letter size. Then in CTD, mainly in printed format, and in ECTD, mainly in the format of folders. Then in CTD, information transfer takes time, and in ECTD, information transfer is quicker. Then in CTD, manual documents navigation by TOC and page number, and in ECTD, electronic document navigation by hyperlinks. These are the few difference between CTD and ECTD, and today we have covered basic information about CTD and ECTD. Thanks for watching. All the best.